Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Motorola Moto E6s. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into Google Assistant and find here in this menu Hey Google and voice match option. And here we got our Hey Google, so give access to your assistant. Here tap get started. Now need give access to your assistant one more time, tap next and I agree. And now tap continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.